Carla here, and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. In this video, we're going to show you how to manage all your store's orders using both your CMS and merchant app. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. With Rush, all orders are synced real-time on both the CMS and in-store merchant app. But how will you know when an order comes in? Your store will be alerted by a notification so you won't miss any order. To display all your orders using the Rush CMS, go to the Orders tab of your eStore module. To view and manage your order, click the eye icon to display the complete order details. To update the order, just select the appropriate status from the menu, click Update Order, and you're all done! To do this on the Merchant app, just go to eStore Orders to see all your orders grouped per status. Tap the order, choose the appropriate status, and save the changes. The order will now be moved to its new status group. No matter when, where, or how you update the status of each order, all your changes will appear on the customer app in real time. Quite easy, right? In the next video, we're showing you how to book a third-party logistics rider. This has been Carla, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.